Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the Samsung and the device you'll pair. First, make sure mobile data is enabled and battery is above 20% so tethering won't drop. Now open Settings, tap Connections, and enable Bluetooth. This creates discoverability for pairing. At the same time, set the client device to discover Bluetooth. Once done, keep devices close and watch for the Samsung name in the client's device list so you can proceed with pairing immediately. You will pair the devices and then turn on tethering. After selecting the Samsung name on the client, confirm the PIN or accept the pairing prompt so the link is secure. Next, on the Samsung, go to Settings, Connections, and open Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. This is where tethering controls live. Make sure Bluetooth tethering is visible and flip the toggle on. Once activated, the client should detect an internet route through Bluetooth and begin using your mobile data. You'll finish by verifying the client can access the internet and by resolving common issues. Confirm the client reports an active connection type labeled Bluetooth or Personal Area Network, then load a web page to test throughput. If it fails, first toggle Bluetooth tethering off and on, or unpair and repair the devices. This clears temporary link errors. If that doesn't help, restart both devices and verify the Samsung's mobile data and APN settings are correct, because tethering relies on those network settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.